Do a March of the Lion craft. So we're gonna make a lion's face on a paper plate, or you can use cardboard or paper, whatever you have. Now for this, you can use paint, you can use markers, crayons, you could even use chalk. That's what I'm gonna use. So I'm going to get working on coloring my plate, or whatever circle you have. And then we also are going to need some glue or tape, and just lots of different kinds of paper. So you could use some scraps if you made shadow puppets. You could use something that came in the mail. You could use some old scrapbook paper or strips of newspaper. Okay, and now we need our strips of paper. So this is where you can have some fun and just choose lots of different types of paper. And you can tear the paper, or you can cut strips of paper. It doesn't matter the size of them, but you're going to want to make a long strip, so because you're going to roll it up. So you want it long enough that it's going to roll. Okay, and you can make them wide, or you can make them more narrow. They don't all have to be the same size. I'm not measuring. And if you want mom and dad to draw lines on the paper and then you can follow the lines to cut, that's good practice with the scissors. So just cut, 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 cut. Narrow ones, wide ones. Doesn't matter. Now I need to make them into paper rolls. So now I could take a pencil or a marker, and I'm going to roll it up on my pencil. So mom and dad can help you get it started, and then you can put it down on the table if you want to and roll it, or if you're able to, you can hang on to one part of it and use your other hand to roll the pencil like it's coming to you. Roll, 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 roll. Roll as much as you want, and then let it go and see what happened. Oh, look at that. So then we're going to glue the paper rolls all the way around. So you need to make a lot of those. So just keep rolling and practicing. It's good to strengthen your finger muscles. In the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. In the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Whew, my fingers, they are getting tired. That is good exercise. Wow. Okay, let's see how it looks when I start to put them on. All right, I finished my rolls, so I'm going to add those on. You can see my lion is taking shape. His mane is looking really cool. He has an awesome crown of curls. Do you have curly hair? Do you know someone with curly hair? I think curly hair is so cool. My hair is kind of curly, but I straighten it sometimes. And sometimes I leave it curly. It's fun. You see people with all kinds of different kinds of hair. And I think the lion has super cool hair. You could use wrapping paper. Wrapping paper curls up really nicely. Okay, now we need the lion's face. Okay, now I have all these scraps of paper, so you know I'm going to use those. And I also have some other scraps. All right, I'm going to use a cut up paper bag. Just going to cut 2 circle shapes. You can trace around a toilet paper tube, or you could trace the bottom of a glue stick or a cap to a paint or applesauce pouch or anything really. So many different circle shapes you can find. Don't have to be the same size. Then I'm going to take black marker. I'm going to color a circle in the middle. Mine is going to be in the middle, sort of toward the bottom. You can choose where you want yours to be. So here are my lion's eyes. Then I'm going to glue them on. There we go. Now I have some black paper left over from my shadow puppets. So I'm going to use a heart shape for his nose. I like using heart shapes for animals. So if you don't know how to make a heart shape, you can fold a piece of paper over, and at the crease, you're going to draw a shape like this, up and around, like that. And then when you cut it, from the crease side, and go around and down, when you open that shape up, it becomes a heart. Yes, and I'm going to use an upside down heart for his nose. I'm going to put glue on it. I'm going to put it underneath where his eyes are. I will show you like that. And then I'm going to put a smile and some whiskers on. Okay, I found my dark piece of chalk. So now I'm just going to draw a line down from his nose and around, up, down, and curve up. And that way I could use the chalk to add eyelashes if I wanted to, or eyebrows. So I'm going to add 3 little eyelashes. I'm going to use the chalk to make whiskers. So here we go. Here's the lion. It even kind of makes a noise like a musical instrument. It almost sounds kind of like a tambourine if you shake it gently. You could shake it around while you're doing the march of the lion. Nice. Have fun making your lion.